As you can tell by the title, today's video is my unfurnished apartment tour. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tamia, Kiara, and you're tuning into another video here on my channel. So yay for you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So we're in my apartment. That's why there's echo, because it's unfurnished right now, but soon come, it'll be furnished. Anywho, this is the front little entryway. So regular, just a door, yada yada. And then we have this coat closet when you first come in. So 2 shelves, and then there's like a little area right here where guests can hang their coats and stuff like that when they come over. And then right on the other side, we have our bathroom. My favorite part about this bathroom is this little sink. I think this is like different and just really cute. And then we just have, ooh, it hit the door. But we just have this like regular drawer for storage, cute little mirror with detail. And then this is how our shower looks, just a regular shower. We have like a kind of a tub. It's not that deep, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take bubble baths today. I want to, but we do have a tub. And then we have these cute little lighting fixtures in our bathroom, which I really like. And then over here is just the toilet, reg deg stuff. And then over here we have like a mirror for storage. So just like kind of like a medicine cabinet. Nothing's in it right now because I literally just got the keys today. But let's keep it going. So then coming out of the bathroom, we have this other closet right here. So this is just laundry, washer, dryer, regular stuff, storage. Probably gonna store stuff on top, but that's pretty much it for this closet. And then you come in here, and we have this really nice chandelier. Love this. This actually came with the apartment. And then my kitchen has like the dark brown. If you watch my previous video, then you know I was saying that the color scheme is kind of like dark brown, and that we have silver hardware on all of our stuff. So just adds a lot of cabinet space, honestly. So I like that because me and my friend are living here, so kind of need that. Moving forward. Oh, let me show you guys this. This is how our fridge looks. Look, it looks like a cabinet. And then this is how the inside looks. They gave us cold brew as like a welcome gift, so I love that. That's the only thing in the fridge right now. But this is how it looks. This is kind of like going to be our living / kitchen space, because we felt like, if you know about NYC real estate, it's hard to find a super big apartment with like everything. So we just felt like we didn't need the biggest living room. So this is kind of our living space area. Plus me and Tracy are like that, so we're going to want to be on top of each other anyways. But let me show you guys Tracy's bedroom. This is Tracy's room, all white. It's gonna be super cute. Definitely make sure to go down below to see her Instagram and her YouTube channel so you can see her unfurnished apartment tour and how she does her bedroom and everything like that, because that obviously won't be on my channel, but it'll definitely be on Tracy's. And I like these little pocket doors so that when it's like open, you can't tell there's a door here. And then this is my bedroom. Okay. Oh, it's cold in here. Also, all white. Let me turn it off this. I need it. So this is just like all white. It's pretty big. I can't wait to decorate this. If you didn't see my last bedroom video, go watch that. And if you like that, subscribe, because there's going to be another bedroom video. Anywho, this is my closet, which I'm really excited about because it has a lot of space, a lot of drawers and everything like that, a little hanging area. So I just feel like I'm gonna be able to fit most of my clothes in here. And I cannot wait. So yeah, that's that for the closet. And then that's that for my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to give you guys more content about this apartment. I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Bye.